Welcome to Trading Nation. I'm Brian Sullivan. I'm joined by Richard Repetto, who covers financial companies for Sandler O'Neill. And Rich, we want to talk about the sort of low volatility that we have seen. I mean, almost historically unprecedented low volatility in the equity market. Do you think that's because of ETFs?
Well, that's certainly one possible reason. There's a lot of debate about that. Certainly, ETFs have grown, and ETF trading takes away from the underlying single stock trading. But it's really, whether you go from academics to market practitioners, they think it's had some impact, but there's certainly there's not one a resounding answer to this low volatility.
Do you think, though, that I actually had this conversation last night at dinner with a contact? This is the kind of dinner conversations I have, that there may at some point be a reckoning with ETFs, that there may be much enhanced volatility because of ETFs and their structure. Do you think that's possible? I think it is, especially if we get some sort of an event that wants to trigger selling. Do you think that could happen?
Yes, I do. I think what we've seen in the markets, over the last, several years is that when you do have events, volatility still spikes up, whether it be a Trump election or Brexit or a flash crash. You do see the high volatility on market moving events, but what we've seen in between those events is volatility come back down to very low levels. And like you said in the beginning, this time to historic low levels we're running at, right now.
Yeah, and the financials in particular are subjected to the whims of the Fed. How much do you think the Fed is going to play into the financial sector's volatility, or maybe continued lack of down the line?
Yeah, I think that's been, when you talk to market practitioners, that's certainly been one of the drivers of the low volatility. Certainly in the past, when the Fed was, stuck at very, low interest rates for the foreseeable future. But what you see now is there is some more uncertainty, there's Fed rate hikes, some more uncertainty of when hikes will happen, and we still haven't seen, we haven't seen any uptick in volatility. So, again, I think that's a factor along with ETFs, but I think there's a number of these factors that are driving, a dormant market or a very stable market right now.
Richard Repetto of Sandler O'Neill, look at the financials and volatility. I think this ETF story is just getting started, not ending, Richard, but we'll speak with you again soon, I hope. Take care.
Take care.
Folks, thank you for watching. I'm Brian Sullivan. We'll see you next time.
Hey there, thanks for checking out CNBC on YouTube. Be sure to subscribe to stay up to date on all of the day's biggest stories. You can also click on any of the videos around me to watch the latest from CNBC. Thanks for watching.